Alright, so the next thing is we need to go through for every stage, I believe. Why did it save the worst duration? So it's mission completion dot stage completion. F stage completion. Alright, so basically the current tier is going to be if the current tier is greater than completion dot tier, then we set it to the lowest tier. So the other thing is we want to know if is lower stat better for stat. We have the condition there, so if we go to our level utils, this is supposed to return true. Is this opposite of what we want? So the profile manager has get mission for stats and report mission completed, and lower is better is supposed to be true, so report mission completed. If lower is better and best stat is less than rank stat. Okay, no, this is opposite of what it should be, because it's lower is better and the best stat is greater than the rank stat, otherwise less than. Oh, closing it, closing it. Oh man, we're over 9 hours now. What? Well, theoretically, persistence is getting there. So I need to beat 30 seconds. We got diamond and 13.73. 13.71 is what we saved in score goal 01. Alright. So let's quit. Let's 13.72. Alright, so Midnight Ridge. I have no idea what the conditions are in this guy. So the conditions for Midnight Ridge are, there is no result tier for any of these things, but there's 3 stages. The result tier is time less than 110, time less than 100, time less than 90, time less than 80. So less than 80 seconds. And our cutscenes are playing. Which is good, that's what they're supposed to do. We played our cutscene, and we got Dashkin level, so let's hit continue, which took us to the end of the match, where we got Dashkin at 33:06 seconds, which I see diamond, best stat of 6, which I think is ball touches. Yeah, ball touches, 6 right there, and best duration is 33.065, 33.06. There we go. Alright, so we'll quit. Let's go back. We should see our unlocked. Ah, there it is. Gloomy Hollow's unlocked. So let's go through and beat all our challenges. We got Dashkin level on that one as well, 24.42 seconds. I see diamond level 23.42. Excellent. There were no cutscenes for that one. Oops, I didn't want to retry. That's okay, we'll try to beat that time. Was it 23 seconds? 20.27. 20.27. 20.27. Alright, let's quit. And go back. We should have our next map unlocked. Mushroom Hall. We have no objectives. We got Dashkin level there as well. 12.04 seconds. 75% accuracy. Let's see what I have. It says 75 accuracy, best duration 12 seconds. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Champions Arena level 1. Hell yeah. So it looks like our persistence is working properly, at least locally. So what I'm going to do is see what we got. So this guy, goal 1, stage 1 is check marks, so quit. 5 blah seconds. 5 blah seconds. Locked mission is always locked, so that's why it's always locked. You can see we've got all of our tiers getting set up properly. Awesome. So let's actually log in as ourselves. So if I log in as myself, I should not use my local data anymore. So I'm not seeing it update. There we go. We have not completed our stuff. So let's go. We have to see our cutscenes again. It's not saving over the local data. Let's take our time and not score. Fuck. Alright, fine. So we got Dashkin level there. We got Dashkin level there. So if we quit, we've got our unlocks again. Alright, let's log out. And we've got all of our old stuff back. Let's log in. Alright, well, that's not correct. It doesn't look like it got persisted. I don't see any information there. So let's go take a look at what it is online. So, test platform. Maybe it didn't save it fast enough. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything there for the actual save. So what I should do is, let's see. We didn't save our cutscene data, which we should have probably saved by now. Online dirty is true, pending online save is false, using online profile is true, has loaded online data is false. Has loaded online data needs to be set to true at the bottom. Alright. And we can fiddle around with stuff and, make it work a little bit better in the future. Because right now, what it's going to do is if you won the stage and then Alt F4'd like really quick, it wouldn't actually save your progress. Or if you lost your connection, it's not going to save your progress. What we probably want is some sort of local saving recovery mechanism where we'll try to save it. But even that's kind of tricky because, yeah, probably what we should do is if we're online and we get a new record, it just saves like immediately, right? So yeah, report mission completed. So if it's a new record, then we should just save right now. Yeah, we'll just do it that way. Just set the timers to 0, it'll save next frame. And that's probably good enough. That'll get it off the box. Alright, Karakan, have a good one. I'm pretty much toast here as well. I think this is the last thing, because we verified local saves work in online save. We just weren't calling save. So, alright. Closing it. Nearly there. But that's pretty cool. So basically one-shot persistence for the mission system. Which is, we got the database hooked up, we got the data manager hooked up, we wrote the server code, we deployed the server code, we wrote the entire damn thing, added all the hooks to actually save the information, and it looks like everything is working as intended. That's not bad. Definitely wasn't expecting to get all this done today. I mean, that's pretty cool. Like, that's a online persistence for your single player game. What? So let's boot this up. Alright, no mission selected. Let's log in. We didn't save last time, so that's how it works. Try save online data. Why are we calling try save? Probably because of the cutscene, right? Yeah, because of the cutscene. -5 error. Oh no! Error in saving user blobs. Check -5. Alright, general unhandled error on call, null. Alright, game data service implementation 159. If request.blobs is null, oh, or are you fucking for real? It's building. So that should not be an or there. Can we please just like thanks Eclipse. Thanks for being a real pile of shit. So the big thing here is this save online data is probably not, yeah, see, we're not calling request set blobs like that. And as a result, we're not sending that information to the server. The server has a separate error, which is it wasn't properly checking for null there, so it was throwing a 500 error. So even though I haven't deployed the fix out there, this should save my information. Call to save users blobs. Did it get saved? I see my account ID with cutscenes and with mission data. So let's go. Let's go, let's go. And our profile has unlocked stuff. Excellent. I look in the database, I see stuff is getting saved. Let's just rerun the game and make sure that we actually load up our profile information. It worked. Alright, persistence is done. Awesome. So let's get it checked in. Make sure we got all of our offline work reconciled. Everything looks fine. Alright. Also going to close Eclipse. So, what have I done? What have I done? Online and offline persistence for maps, for missions, and cutscenes. Use the debug menu in the UI to reset your data. I should double check that resetting the data actually works. It'd also be a good idea to add a loading spinner or something like that for when it's actually saving and popping that up in the UI somewhere, you know, just like a little spinner that's unobtrusive, just to let it know that saving is happening. You can stop hogging my screen, Perforce. It's okay for you to get the fuck out of here. Okay, clear profile data. Yes. Single player. We have nothing left. Alright. Alright, looks like that cleared. Let's check our online status and make sure our clear works for that. Alright, got that. Let's do our clear. It cleared it. Let's make sure it cleared it. It looks like it's in the database cleared, but let's just load it up and make sure it loads. Awesome. Alright, I'm donezo. I'm gonna actually deploy the Java server and make sure that that works, and then I'll sign off. So I just gotta wait for this build. It's gotta pull a bunch of random shit down though. Alright, so that build is cooking. Our tools only changed for our generate, so we don't need to rebuild our tools to do anything. I just need to rebuild the server so I can deploy it. So it's got that bitwise fix for the blobs not being set on our data persistence stuff. So, technically we're never going to clean up data, so if somebody pushed data in here with a different blob context, it's just going to sit there in the database forever. We're never actually going to go prune it out. It's not really a problem though, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. I'm just waiting for this thing to finish. Copying, new, services, jar file, now checking to delete, success, success, success. Alright, deploy Dashkin services to the test environment. So let's get that deployment out there. Alright, so deployment is starting after it finishes syncing everything. There we go. Alright, so deploying now. Alright, now we just gotta wait for this thing. Come on now. Come on. Do it. Do the thing. Now let's make sure it actually works still, right? That's something that's important. Is it important though? Is it really important? Executing call to get users information. Alright, so we got it. Yeah. Needs to do something about this style. Hey, it works. So I'm done. Alright, thanks for sticking around. And I hope everybody has an excellent day.